Moldova employment visa. 55,000 plus job vacancies nationwide. Moldova faces labor shortages in agriculture, construction, manufacturing, transport, healthcare, hospitality, and IT. Labor market statistics are tracked by the National Bureau of Statistics of the Republic of Moldova and the National Employment Agency. Average salary 13,000 to 16,000 MDL per month. Full-time employees earn competitive wages depending on sector and region. Higher salaries are generally found in Chișinău and major urban areas. Unemployment rate around 4%. Moldova maintains a relatively stable labor market with demand for both skilled and seasonal workers. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Moldova is 40 hours under the National Labor Code. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees are entitled to at least 20 working days of paid annual leave, plus official public holidays. Minimum salary approximate 5,500 MDL per month. The national minimum wage is regulated by the government and periodically adjusted. Personal income tax 12%. Moldova applies a flat 12% personal income tax on employment income, with mandatory social insurance contributions.